Hello fellow drone pilots, I'm here with my Phantom 4 and the beautiful Phantom 4 controller and my iPad Mini 4. You may have an iPad Mini 2 or a Mini 5, they're exactly the same. So the problem you're having is that when you're in the sun, it's super hard to see because it's glaring on your mini screen and you can't see a darn thing, right? So I'm going to show you the solution today. It comes in this plain black box. It's called the RC GearPro Foldable Smartphone Tablet Monitor Sunshade Hood Cover. Yeah, that's the description on Amazon. That's an awful lot of words. It's compatible with the iPad Mini 2, 3, 4, 5, Samsung Galaxy Tab 8, Samsung Galaxy Tab S2 8, and the XIAOMI Mi Pad 2 and 3. So here it is. It's 7.3 by 6.3 inches. You simply unfold it like this, and you slide these straps over your iPad. They're rubber, so they will flex. They won't scratch your iPad, and they won't slide around once they're on. A lot of iPad mini cases will obstruct the clips on either the top, the bottom, or both, and a lot of the cases will obstruct the iPad's contact with the back of the clip by being behind the iPad. Because this entire hood is in front of the iPad, it doesn't obstruct your remote's mount whatsoever. The clip makes full contact as it would without the hood. One of the great things about this hood is it actually fits in your case. When you're done shooting, you just slide off the two tabs, fold it up, and stick it in your case. Here is the Mini with a light source overhead. And here is the Mini with the lens hood on and the same light source overhead. Of course, if you stand in such a way that the sun is hitting directly on the screen, you are going to experience that sun glare. But with the hood on, you've got protection on three sides of the iPad. And that's usually enough that you can find an angle to hold your controller or a position to stand that will protect you almost entirely, if not entirely, from the sun. So when you're looking on Amazon, pass on all those bizarre looking leather type hard foldable things that clip onto your actual controller. A lot of them are bulky behind and require actually being between your mount and the iPad. And what happens is they actually push the iPad in awkward angles and they reduce the ability of the clamp to hold that iPad in a secure manner. This thing is super lightweight, fits in your case, and doesn't obstruct the natural intended use of the iPad or a tablet clamp at all. So there it is, my go-to sun hood for flying my drone in the sun without the glare. It's less than 20 bucks. It's lightweight, it fits in your case, and it works. That's all I've got for you today. You're watching Greg Adventure. I'm Greg, and this is today's adventure.